Hello and welcome to the Weekend Cuisine. This week we are taking a look at a spicy roasted bell pepper pasta. This recipe has three components to it: bechamel or white sauce, roasted bell pepper sauce, and the pasta. So let's get started with the pasta. Bring a pot of water to boil and add about 2 to 3 pinches of salt. Now add up to 2 cups of pasta. Any sort of pasta would be good here, but penne works great by holding the thick sauce together and giving rich mouthful flavors of the sauce. While pasta is boiling, let's get our vegetables prepped. Take few cloves of garlic and chop them roughly. Now 1 onion and slice into small dices. Also take up to 2 to 3 tomatoes, remove the top and cut them into 4 parts. Smaller cuts are not really required here, as tomatoes, onion and the garlic would anyway end up in the blender and cook with the sauce later. Check on the pasta in between while stirring occasionally so that it doesn't stick to the bottom of the pot. After about 10 to 12 minutes, check if the pasta is cooked completely, then drain and keep aside. Now let's move to the second part of our recipe, that is roasted bell pepper sauce. Take any roasting mesh such as this, lay it on the largest burner on the stove. You can also optionally roast over direct flame or cut the capsicum into small pieces and roast them over a pan. Take 4 capsicums. I am taking green ones, but you can also use red ones as well. Put the burner on low and roast while turning every 1 to 2 minutes to result in even cooking and browning on the exterior part. Roasting it over the flame will create the smoky flavor from the burnt exterior of the bell pepper, while steaming the bell pepper and cooking it from the inside, making it moist and flavorful. After all the sides are roasted, this might take up to 10 to 12 minutes. Add them to a bowl and cover with foil or towel so that the bell peppers get steamed in their own heat, which makes it easier for us to peel off their skin later. Now remove the bell peppers, cut their top and remove the seeds. Chop into half and scratch their surface with a knife to remove the charred roasted skin. To put all of them together and make the roasted bell pepper sauce, heat up the pan with 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil. Add the chopped garlic, then the chopped onion, and a tablespoon of salt and sugar. Saute for about 10 to 12 minutes or until the onion starts to turn a little bit brown. Add the tomatoes now and cover and let it steam for about 5 minutes. Remove the skins of the tomatoes, cool down the mixture completely and add it to the blender with the roasted bell pepper and blend until pureed completely. Let's move to our last segment, the bechamel sauce or the white sauce. Heat about 2 to 3 tablespoons of butter over medium heat. When the butter starts bubbling, add 2 tablespoons of maida or flour. Stir and cook for about half a minute and then pour in small quantities of milk at a time while whisking constantly to create a soft paste-like consistency. Now you can move to adding more milk at a time, but make sure that you are whisking completely until a creamy sauce-like consistency is achieved. It's time to put everything together. Add the pureed bell pepper sauce to the white sauce. Add about half or 3/4 of the pureed sauce. Adjust according to your taste later. Mix everything together, add some salt for taste, some oregano and chili flakes. I felt it required some more spiciness to it, so I added some chili powder, but you can completely skip this step. Mix everything together and let cook for 5 to 7 minutes over medium heat. Now add the cooked pasta, stir and cook additionally for 5 more minutes and serve hot.